Today we're here at Omni Services to demonstrate the operation of Eaton's 1187 portable crimper. First, a couple features about this crimper. It's lightweight, under 70 pounds, can be bench mounted, wall mounted, or truck mounted, so that it can be transferred between truck and shop if needed. Any existing 10,000 psi hydraulic power source may be utilized, or one of 4 available power options can be purchased to operate the crimper: manual 2-stage hand pump, air over hydraulic power unit, 110 volt electric pump, or 12 volt DC electrical pump. This crimper crimps hoses 1/4 inch through 1 1/4 inch, making it capable of handling the most common sizes. To operate the crimper, simply select the hose type and size. Insert the corresponding die, then turn the collar to match the color of the ley line and the dash size of the hose. Mark the fitting depth on the hose. Insert the fitting onto the hose to meet the correct insertion depth. Now place the hose in the crimper and actuate the crimper by whichever power source you have chosen. In this case, we're using air over hydraulic. Now confirm the crimp diameter is within tolerance, and you're done. This crimper is efficient, easily portable, and a great value. Want to learn more or have an in-house demonstration? Contact Omni Services here.